guys, I'm Caleb.
I'm Nick.
And welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. So in Connecticut today, it's super rainy, so we can't do everything that we want to do on the Jeep, but we are going to go to this local business. It's called Crush the Ogre, or that's the name of the guy or whatever, but he's got a warehouse and all he does is break down Jeeps. So I've been in touch with him, so we're going to go and see if we can source some parts for the Jeep and take you guys along with us and kind of show you. If anybody's in the New England area, definitely check him out, and we'll see what he's all about, and have a good time, make the best out of this rainy day. So let's get to it. I think we're here. Look at all the Jeeps. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Jeeps.
Rear door.
Yep.
Right here.
Okay.
All the good ones.
Yep.
Good ones.
Mm-hmm.
And then shackles. That box.
Okay. All right. Well, we can have fun and look at that.
huge
Sweet.
amount.
All right.
Huge amount of suspension components.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, there should be some factory ones in there.
Yeah. So we can poke around.
Take them off pretty often.
Yeah. And then also seats too.
Oh, I got seats.
Oh wow, yeah. Look at that, huh? Wow. Check that out, huh?
Right now, the majority of these are TJ seats and aftermarket seats.
Okay. Well,
I saw tons of YJ seats in the last 3 weeks.
Yeah.
For some reason.
yeah. Well, YJ seats are fine. Aftermarket seats are fine too. Honestly, like. You know, so whatever is good. I'm looking for black if you got them.
Oh, I got one set of black.
Yeah.
Original 87 to 91 leather.
Really?
Right here.
Okay. Oh, those look great.
Yeah. Yeah, driver's got a couple cracks in it. But
Okay.
it's not ripped or torn, and the cushion's still good, and the passenger's perfect, of course.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. Let's rip those down.
It's funny, of all the seats there are,
Yeah.
factory Sahara and those are the rarest.
Really? All
I
right.
have Sahara, I just took out of a YJ, and the driver's is a mess, and
Yeah.
it'll still sell for like $200-300.
Yeah. Whoop. My bad. So, what are you looking for on a set of the black ones?
I'll
there,
give
the
you
last
the
one?
two of them for $200.
All right. Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you have a rear bench in black?
Maybe.
All right. Cool.
Definitely maybe.
Okay.
Those are my rears.
Okay. Gotcha.
Are they compatible, TJ and YJ?
No.
No.
YJ is its own completely different rear and front.
Okay. Gotcha.
CJ and YJ are compatible.
Yeah.
In fact, CJ and
Oh,
YJ
right.
are the same.
Yeah, they're the same. It's just some of the body that's different, right?
Yeah, I mean, I built a bunch of CJ7s with YJ tubs.
Yeah.
They're so close.
Yeah.
I mean, and everything crosses over.
No kidding.
Except the tailgate. But
Okay.
the tailgate fits, you just have to drill for the hinges.
Ah, understood. Gotcha. The old dashes, yeah, they're sick. Oh, that's so neat. That's so cool. Wow. So how'd you get into all this, man?
So I started building CJs about 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And I built a 7 and a 5, and I loved it.
Yeah.
And even back then, there was no Facebook or Craigslist. And
Right,
I just found people, and we would trade CJ parts, and I'd buy parts, and
Yeah, you're just in those loops. And
Well,
yeah.
my dad was doing it when I was a kid. We were building antique and muscle cars.
Yeah.
And he'd go to like flea markets,
Yeah.
and car shows.
Yeah, of
and
course, yeah.
He'd be walking along, and he'd look like 50 feet away, and be like, "Oh, there's a headlight I need for my 31 Model A," and I'm like, "How do you see that?" And now I get it.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah.
And I built probably 15 Jeeps in the last 20-something years before I started.
Yeah.
5
Hey,
years
if you want to hold
ago,
this, I'll
I had
help
a few
him.
of them in my yard.
Yep.
My ex said, "You got to get a garage," and I was like, "Yes." That's the driver's. Got
Yeah.
one in it. Yep. You can use it as a passenger though. They're identical.
Oh, yeah, really?
Yep.
Look good. Yeah, we can put the passenger on this. Sweet.
These are so cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It's funny. I only see these black
Love
ones
that
like
thing.
once a year. Yeah. They only did them 87 to 90, I believe.
Yep.
In that period, it might have only been a year or two.
Yep.
And of all the YJs, these were the oldest, so they're destroyed.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
Hey, boss.
How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll take these. The wheels are on back order right now for like
tons of wheels.
4 or 5 months. So.
I have a ridiculous amount of wheels. I'll hook you up.
Okay.
I have that whole trailer back there. This
Yeah.
whole, I have acres of parts.
All right, all right.
Did you find a tailgate you like?
Oh, I didn't even look.
Yeah, we haven't even got
tailgate.
All right,
Alright.
I'll do that.
Did you guys leave the trailer open? No. Okay.
Who cares?
Red. I want to see if. Aha!
Oh.
Paint matched.
Oh, this is in good shape, dude.
Well, actually, hold on. Do I all have 1 or 2? There should be a second one.
It is missing a bracket, although
I'm sure he's got another one.
doesn't really matter. We have the brackets.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
I guess we should check a picture, make sure we have a decent bracket, but that's actually in great shape.
Yeah. Is that the same color? It doesn't look like it, does it? I'm like second guessing the color
I
now.
know. Oh,
That's impressive.
that's awesome.
Alright, yeah. I think this is the one we'll go for. Alright, we got the rear door. No rust on this bad boy. Close on the color. If not, perfect match. This is a pretty good spot. So here's an update on our parts pile here. We got original YJ leather seats. And this is for a CJ. Original.
That big old wheel, that
Yep.
big tire might
Yep.
not fit on here. It might push off the back of the Jeep too much. So here's a spacer to pull it out another inch.
Paul's the man. You guys got to check out Crushed Yogurt here in Connecticut. You really do. So, but yeah. So all right. So we're getting a mount for a wheel and tire that we got, and we got extra wheels because the wheels that we bought online are back ordered. So he hooked us up with the same exact set that we ordered online. So
Yes.
we're gonna load this all up, get this in the man van, and head on home. Pay the man.
I have a nice rear for it too.
Paul, hey,
sir.
thanks so much, man.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice
Good
meeting
seeing
you
you
too.
guys.
Thanks for dealing with camera in your face the whole day.
As long as the nose didn't, block out the sun.
Of course. No, yeah, I'll keep you updated with what we do with all the parts, and we'll let you know if we need anything else, brother.
Awesome. Yeah,
all
send me
right.
pictures when you're done.
I will for sure. All right, man. Take care.
Thank you.
All right, Nick, we got some parts.
Yeah, we do.
Woo! So, let's see what we got here. So we got wheels, we got tires, we got a tire. We got really nice seats. We got a tailgate. We got a bracket for the wheel, the 5th wheel and tire, which I think is going to completely change the look of the Jeep. Really excited about that. And overall, man, this whole experience buying here has been really good. He was very thoughtful. He was really nice to talk to. Paul, if you're watching this, thank you so much for hooking us up. We will be returning as customers as we need more stuff in the future, I'm sure. And if you guys are in Connecticut, you should really check him out. I'll link him in the description below. Like the video, comment, and subscribe, because we are going to put all these parts on. We're going to try and refresh those seats, and we're going to do a lot of stuff to the Jeep. So we will see you on the next Tool Time Tuesday.